Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will share with you how I sent email marketing campaign with Mailerlite. And here you can see this is dashboard of Mailerlite account, and this is my client dashboard. And here I created a template here, email template. So let's see the how the template looks like. Okay. This is the template that I created here for my client to run an email marketing campaign for him. He is a Michigan based real estate investor. Okay, this is a very long, very large template here. This is a very long content. This template contains very long content. This template contains very large content here, long content here. And there are so many links and contact information. And in the first three buttons, we have created three forms here. First one is buy a home, and this will be sent in home buyers for the home buyers group. And next one will be home seller group, and third one is mortgage group. Every button has a several email template, several contact form. Each of every button here has several contact form. There are some links here. We have linked his personal website here and articles. Okay, now let's look how it looks like in mobile version. Okay, cool. Now we can send a test email here. If you want to send a test email, you can put here the email address and hit the send button. Mailerlite will send an email, test email to that email address. But we are not testing now because we have already tested here and it works nice. And now I will send the campaign here. Here you can see we have more than 13,000 subscriber here. This is a long list here, and there are three forms I have integrated here in the email template, and we will send emails to all the 13,000 plus email address. So let's see how we can see send it. Okay, we will not preview that one right now. Okay, now we can schedule or send right now. There are three options here in this plan. There are three options here. We can send it right now or later or based on time zones, but we are sending it right now here. So I will hit here send now, and at the right bottom corner you can see here a send button here. When I would hit on it, all the emails will be started sending by the Mailerlite platform. So I am sending it right now. Okay, our campaign of the 13,000 plus email address has been sent. That's all the video. In the next video I will update you everything about what happens. So bye bye.